in the first module is Python basics. So first we'll see entering expression into the interactive shell. As I said in this textbook which you are going to refer here, they are using only the mu editor. So based on that, they have given the particular mu editor. That is, we can run the interactive shell by launching the mu editor. So on Windows, we need to click on the start menu. There you need to type in the lower left corner, you need to type keyword mu. So then click on that mu app. Okay, once so I'll show the demo of that. So here, so can you see the screen now? Can you screen?
Yes,
See?
ma'am.
Okay, so here in the start, near the start button, you need to type mu. Okay, already have installed that software, so it will display here mu app. Can you see that app?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, click on that. Okay, so when you click on that, you will get this particular page. Okay, that is interactive page. So here, if you want to type a program, click on a new. So the new page will appear. So in this particular page, you can type any number of lines. So any number of instruction can be written here. So okay, once after writing this, you can save the file. Can you see the save button? So here you can type in this
Yes,
page.
ma'am.
So if you want to create a new file, click on the new option. Then you'll get a new page where you can type an instruction. Means Python program can be typed here. Once it is done, save the file. Okay. So while saving the Python program, give a name as, have given example. Okay, the extension should be py. Okay, remember that for Python program the extension should be .py. So this is how you can save the file. So here same thing is given. So click on the new button and save an empty file using blank.py. Means the extension for saving the Python program is .py. Then if you open that mu editor, can you see the run button, run option? So there is a run option here. So either you can click on that run option to execute the program, or else you can directly press F5 key. Okay, there are two options, that is to execute or to run the program. You can click a run button or pressing F5 key. So it will create one more interactive cell. So see here, if when I press this run, okay, you will get one interactive cell. Can you see this interactive cell? Whether everyone can see?
Yeah, ma'am.
Wait a second. So, when you click on this run button, you will get one interactive cell. So can you see the symbol here? Can you see? Hello? Whether I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So
ma'am.
yeah, you will get that particular symbol that is called as a prompt. So same thing is written here. So when you run this blank file, that is one example is given blank.py. When you press on run button or F5 button, you will get one interactive cell with this symbol. That is with the three greater than symbol will be appeared here. So in the same prompt, suppose if you give a command like 2 plus 2, okay, you will get the result of that. So that means it will be easy to execute the program. In the Python, you can give any, it will not have a specific syntax. You can give anything, it will give the result. So have typed 2 plus 2, it will give a result as 4. Is it possible in the C program? Anyone answer? Is it possible? No. In C or C++, or if you consider Java, it will have a specific syntax, correct? So, but here, compared to those languages, this is easier. We can write the instruction as we want. So here, if you see this interactive cell, here if we give 2 plus 2, it will give a result as 4. Clear? So same example is given in this PPT. When you type 2 plus 2, it will give 4. So here this 2 plus 2, you can type any expression. So this is called as 2 plus 2 is called as a expression. So as we know, expression means it will have variables, correct? It will have operators, correct? So the meaning of expression is it will consist of values and operators. So here 2 is a value, whereas plus is a operator. So when you evaluate one expression, it will give a single result. Clear? Understood what is expression? Okay. So here that means you can use expression anywhere in the Python code. Okay. So in the previous example, as I said, 2 plus 2 will be, you saw the execution also, 2 plus 2 will give a result 4. You can give any instructions also. 3 into 7 minus 9, it will give the result 12. So here the single value with another example is, if you give single value, that means if a single value with no operator is also considered as an expression. So here when you give a single value, what will happen is it will give the same result. So now understood what will happen if we give more values or single values, correct? It's same like your normal arithmetic operator.